Finding the best GoPro cameras for your next trip shouldn't be hard. You want to capture stunning, clear memories without dealing with shaky footage or confusing specs. Whether you need rugged waterproofing or smooth 4K video, we found the right action camera for you. Our guide cuts through the noise to help you pick the ultimate gear for your lifestyle. Let's look at the winners. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black. Claiming the top spot is the GoPro Hero 12 Black, a pocket-sized powerhouse designed to outshoot, outstabilize, and outperform just about everything else in its class. Its updated 5.3K HDR sensor captures crisp, cinematic detail with natural color, while Hypersmooth 6.0 and full 360-degree horizon lock keep your horizon perfectly level, even during wild action. Need clean audio on the go? You can pair Bluetooth earbuds, like AirPods, to record voice and ambient sound without a bulky mic setup. The improved Enduro battery and upgraded power management deliver impressively long run times, giving you enough juice for extended sessions without swapping packs. Switch to the 8:7 sensor mode, and you can pull vertical, square, or widescreen clips from the same recording, ideal for social posts, POV footage, and larger format edits. Add the optional Max Lens Mod 2.0 to unlock an immersive 177-degree field of view, all with full horizon locking at 4K 60. The best part? Versatility. One camera handles cinematic HDR shots, smooth action POV, vertical social content, and Bluetooth mic vlogging, all with minimal accessories. The trade-off is that the high-quality 10-bit files require speedy memory cards and take up plenty of storage, but that's expected when you're capturing footage this detailed. Thanks for following the full countdown. Stick around for the wrap-up, where I'll share accessory bundles and pro tips to help you craft your first helmet cam masterpiece. Number 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Landing in the runner-up spot is GoPro's Hero 11 Black, the do-it-all action camera that packs pro-level tools into a rugged, pocket-friendly body. Its 8:7 sensor records sharp 5.3K 60 video and 27-megapixel photos, giving you plenty of flexibility to crop for vertical clips without losing detail. Hypersmooth 5.0 combined with horizon lock keeps your horizon perfectly level, even if your handlebars twist or the trail gets chaotic. Craving slow motion? Drop to 2.7K and capture a super smooth 240 frames per second for dramatic time warps and action replays. The standard Enduro battery handles longer cold weather sessions, and dual LCD screens, one in front, one in back, make framing easy whether you're vlogging or carving down a mountain. Night effects open the door to star trails and light painting, while 10-bit color brings richer tones straight out of the camera. When you plug in to charge, automatic cloud backup can start right away, making your footage ready for editing when you get home. What stands out most is its versatility. One compact camera can handle POV mountain biking, vertical social content, and high-resolution cinematic edits without adding extra gear. The trade-off? High bitrate 5.3K recordings use up storage and battery more quickly, but a spare battery and a fast SD card keep you rolling. Up next is the flagship that pushes resolution, runtime, and flexibility even further. Don't miss how it elevates the whole lineup. Number 3. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. Meet the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini, the compact powerhouse built for spots where full-size cameras just won't fit. Weighing only 133 grams, it mounts cleanly on a helmet, roll cage, or handlebars without adding bulk. Even with its tiny footprint, the 1/1.9-inch sensor captures crisp 5.3K 60 video and smooth 240 frames per second slow motion. Hypersmooth 5.0 with horizon lock keeps your horizon perfectly level, even when your bike tilts or the terrain gets unpredictable, and auto boost steps in only when vibration spikes, so you keep the widest view possible. Dual mounting fingers on both the base and the back allow you to position the Mini flat or upright, opening up fresh angles for chest, chin, or seat post perspectives. The built-in Enduro battery holds strong during cold morning rides and recharges quickly through USB-C, Connect to the GoPro Quick app to adjust settings and frame your shots. The screen-free design means there's nothing fragile to crack during a rough landing. The best part is its simplicity. Point, ride, and sort through your angles later in the app. It's ideal for athletes and adventurers who want to focus on the moment rather than menu diving. The trade-offs? No built-in displays and no removable battery. But those omissions help keep the Mini lighter, tougher, and more aerodynamic. Stick around to see the perfect blend of power and portability that can elevate any adventure. Number 4. GoPro Max 360. Stepping into the spotlight at number 4 is the GoPro Max 360, a camera that lets you capture every direction at once and choose your angle later. Mount it on your helmet and you're free to reframe front, back, side, or even a full barrel roll perspective after the ride. Its 5.6K spherical sensor records everything around you, while Max Hypersmooth and Horizon Leveling smooth out bumps for gimbal-like footage without extra gear. Switch over to Hero mode for more traditional wide shots, or fire up Power Pano and Max Time Warp to create 270-degree photos and silky hyperlapses on the go. With 6 built-in microphones, the Max pulls an immersive surround sound, making surf, trail rides, or mountain runs feel alive when you play them back. It's also waterproof down to 16 feet, so it's ready for waves, rain, or snowy terrain. What I enjoy most is the creative freedom. One press gives you a full 360 degrees recording, and from that single clip you can craft multiple edits, perfect for anyone who wants variety without reshooting. The trade-off is that long 5.6K sessions can warm the camera, nudging you to record in shorter bursts. But those breaks often spark new ideas for your next shot. Stay tuned. Number 3 packs serious filmmaking power into a tiny, lightweight frame that mounts where full-size GoPros simply can't. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Kicking off our countdown is the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the budget-friendly workhorse that still performs like a flagship. It captures sharp 5K footage and 20-megapixel photos, all studied by Hypersmooth 3.0, so even bumpy trail runs look smooth. The bright front screen makes vlogging easy, and hindsight records the 30 seconds before you press the shutter, saving those moments you almost missed. Its larger 1,720 mAh battery runs noticeably longer than earlier models, and scheduled capture lets you record sunrise time-lapse without waking up early. Add the optional Max Lens mod, and you get horizon-locked, ultra-wide shots that feel almost gimbal-stable. Waterproof down to 33 feet, the Hero 9 handles surf, rain, and sudden weather changes without breaking a sweat. If there's a drawback, it's that the body is a bit bulkier and can warm up during long 5K recordings. But switching batteries or adjusting resolution keeps you shooting without much interruption. Overall, the Hero 9 Black brings high-end features to an accessible tier, proving you don't need the newest camera to capture incredible adventures. Stick around to meet the model that bends reality with full 360 degrees capture and effortless reframing.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.